In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to number cells in Google Sheets. If you're tired of manually typing row numbers or keeping track as your list grows, these simple techniques will save you a lot of time and keep your sheet clean and consistent. First, let's look at the quickest method using the fill handle. Click into the cell where you want your numbering to start and type. In the cell right below it, type 2. This establishes the pattern so Sheets knows you want a sequence that goes up by 1 each time. Now, highlight both cells so they're selected together. Move your cursor to the small blue square in the bottom right corner of the selection. That's the fill handle. Click and drag it straight down through as many rows as you need. As you drag, you'll see a preview of the numbers. Release the mouse, and Google Sheets will instantly complete the sequence for you. If you ever see the same number repeating, it usually means only one cell was selected. Make sure both the 1 and 2 are highlighted before you drag, so the pattern is clear. If you need to number a lot of rows at once, especially hundreds or more, a formula is even faster. Click the starting cell and type SG sequence, followed by the number of rows you want. For example, type sequence 100 and press enter. Google Sheets will automatically generate a neat list of numbers from 1 to 100, filling straight down from your starting cell. This is great when you already know how long your list will be, and it avoids dragging through a very long sheet. Here's a pro tip for dynamic lists that might change over time. If you want your numbers to stay correct, even if you delete a row, use the row formula. In your first data row, type E als row A. If your sheet has a header above your list, subtract 1. So your first data row starts at 1. Type row 1. Press enter, and then copy that formula down the column. Now, if you insert or delete rows, the numbering will automatically update to match the new order of your data. This keeps everything aligned without any extra work. To recap, drag with the fill handle for quick, simple numbering, use sequence for large ranges in one step, and rely on row, -1 if there's a header, for numbering that updates itself as your sheet changes. With these tools, numbering cells in Google Sheets becomes effortless.